Welcome to this hyperMILL tutorial. In this video we want to use the feature recognition to find all holes and drillings in our part. If a part has many holes, it is clear that selecting and programming each hole manually is a time-consuming and error-prone process. Valuable working time is wasted by repeating the same process over and over again. Using features, and later on also macros, allows CAM programmers to automate it in a simple way. hyperMILL's direct interfaces, for instance for SOLIDWORKS or CATIA files, are able to import CAD features with machining properties, like threads or fits. It can also import all PMIs and CAD metadata. The STEP AP242 format is also usable for this. When using neutral formats like IGES or STEP, you can use a color table to assign certain machining properties. But this is a topic for the next video. Let's jump right in and start the feature recognition on this part. Please be aware that hyperMILL scans all visible entities. So, if you don't want to scan the fixture, you need to hide it. Let's go to the Feature tab and start the feature mapping for holes. The default settings are suitable most of the times, but of course you can change it to your likings. For example, it is possible to limit the diameter of the holes, or to only recognize holes from a certain machining direction. In our case, we used the direct interface from a different CAD system, and this part has 4 CAD features in it. 4 M5 threads, to be exact. So, we need to make sure the Keep CAD Features option is activated. Now let's start. And within a few seconds, we'll find all the features, including the M5 threads, in the Feature tab. Also worth mentioning is that all corresponding frames are created automatically as well. So now we have detected all holes in our part, and we are ready to program these. If you want to learn more about it, always feel free to contact us. We are happy to help you.